All right, we got some magic mail. Let's do an unboxing here. We got our D23 membership, 2024 D23 Gold Member Collector Set. So let's have a look at what we got inside.
Magic and mystery.
Yes. Ta-da! Oh, countless combinations. What will you conjure? D23, dear guest. Oh, interesting. Sorcerer's Apprentice Mickey Mouse collectible figurine. I don't know what's in the silk packet. Oh, Maui's hook.
And Coco's
guitar.
and
other pins. Interesting. Very cool. So this card says, please be aware that a small amount of silicone oil has been applied to the figures as part of the production process to help mitigate damage to the figures. Huh. Interesting. Okay. I think that's everything that's in there. Yeah, that's just part of the box. So there's what the box looks like inside. Let's see what the front looks like. It's got a lock. We got a Mickey shaped lock.
Genie.
Yeah, we got
Maleficent. I was gonna open this because they have there. Oh, it's
from Tiana. Okay, I'm like, what is that?
And
Merlin
from
Sorcerer's Apprentice.
And there's at least 2 of the pins.
Yep. So we got those 2 there. So there's a bunch more.
Possibly.
Yep.
We're not sure. Let's see.
Let's see what's in the boxes. Oh, these cards?
Yes.
Oh, Mystery and Magic. It's a card thing. I don't know. We'll have to open that up and see. We got Genie. That's cool. How does he stand up? Is there something that you're supposed to get to?
There.
Oh, there. That's awesome.
See who's in this one.
That'll be Mickey. That's the Sorcerer's Apprentice.
Oh, no.
That's just a magical mystery character. So, whereas the Mickey one said specifically that it was Mickey. So. Very cool. Let's see if they're just playing cards or if it's like some type of a game or something.
It says 52 playing cards.
Okay, so yeah, they're just.
But
they'll be Disney icons like Mickey or something, kind of like what's on the back of the package is what I'm thinking it probably is.
Yeah. I wish these were easier to open.
Here, let's see.
Versus ruining the package.
They're D23 cards. And Cheshire Cat is the Joker. Oh yes, that's much better. Fresh. Oh, and I just happen to be wearing a Disney trip shirt today, weirdly enough. So, Joker, Tinkerbell. Curious what the face cards are going to look like. Jack Skellington. Fairy Godmother.
Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I like that.
Hades.
The from Wish.
Yeah, okay. I was going to say, I'm like, I don't know what that is.
Oh, I like that.
Mushu.
Elsa and Anna.
Jafar. The coconuts. Wait, I didn't see. Oh, there we go. Jiminy Cricket.
There. Ooh, Ursula.
And then the heart. I didn't see what the Cogsworth and Lumiere.
Nice.
And
Queen of Hearts, because you have to have that.
And then Mufasa.
Yeah.
Very cool.